I'm Caroline Argrave, the TSA Archivist, and today we're in the Administrator Suite in our headquarters in Springfield, Virginia, and behind me are portraits from 7 different U.S. presidents that are signed and notated with well wishes and gifted to the agency. At the end of presidential administrations, it's typical for presidents to sign and gift portraits of themselves to various federal agencies. What makes our collection special is we have 5 portraits from presidents that predate TSA's existence. George Bush was the president on 9/11, and on November 19, 2001, he signed the Aviation and Transportation Security Act creating TSA. But we have signed portraits from Presidents Ford, Carter, Reagan, George H.W. Bush, and Clinton. Part of the TSA Historian Program's mission is to protect and preserve the agency's history, and these irreplaceable photographs are a part of that. Take a look at President Carter's portrait. The paper is yellowing and the ink is fading, and that's what happens over time to photographs that are hung and displayed. Both artificial and natural light damage photos. Furthermore, the paper that it's printed on can either yellow or brown. The types of frames that are used can sometimes be harmful. For instance, wooden frames emit oils that can further seep in and damage the photos. So that's what we're doing here today. We're going to be removing all of these originals from the wall. We're then going to use a flatbed scanner to create high quality copies. Meanwhile, the originals will be sent off to be digitally restored. We're going to take these copies and replace them in the frames. And the presidents have returned to TSA headquarters after being meticulously restored. Each original portrait was scanned by the restoration specialist, who then spent hours repairing damage and enhancing the overall quality of the deteriorated portraits. The originals will live in the TSA archive and library in a cool, dark, safe environment. And these restored copies are going to be taken and placed into the frames in the Administrator Suite so they can continue to be enjoyed by the workforce.